including Bank of America, PNC. You will receive a full forgiveness of the remaining principal balance of $72.9xx.55 on your home equity line of credit account. This means that you will no longer owe this amount, and we will also waive any outstanding fees and accrued interest. Please note that if we receive any payments from you before we forgive your remaining principal balance, we will apply them to your home equity account, which will reduce the actual principal balance amount we will forgive. If in foreclosure, although your home equity line of credit balance is being forgiven, this does not extinguish your first mortgage. If your first mortgage is impacted and in foreclosure, this will not stop the foreclosure proceedings and foreclosure activities will continue. Please continue to answer and reply to all foreclosure communications. If you do not understand the legal consequences of the foreclosure, you are also encouraged to contact a lawyer or housing counselor for assistance. What you need to know. Your acceptance of this offer is automatic unless we hear from you. If you choose not to accept this forgiveness offer, please call within 30 days of the date of the letter to the number listed below. Please be aware that we are required to report the amount of your canceled principal debt to the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. Currently, federal law provides for certain exceptions to tax liability when debt is forgiven in connection with a foreclosure prevention transaction. In order to know whether you qualify for one of these exceptions, and what other tax impacts this transaction may have for you, we recommend that you contact a tax professional. Additional information can also be found at www.irs.gov. Also, once we forgive the remaining balance on your home equity account, we will report to the major credit bureaus that your account was paid and closed. Your credit score may be affected by this forgiveness. Credit scores are determined by your credit history and not controlled directly by Bank of America, PNC, beyond our commitment to accurately report the status of all our customers. For more information about credit scores, please go to http://bcp/edu/pubs/consumer/credit/cre24.shtm. If you are currently in a bankruptcy proceeding, approval by the United States Bankruptcy Court, in which your proceeding is pending, may be required before we can extinguish your debt. You should consult with your bankruptcy attorney regarding court approval for this forgiveness and how it will affect your bankruptcy case. Also, if you are in Chapter 13 bankruptcy, you may be required to amend your bankruptcy plan. Your bankruptcy attorney can assist you with that process. If you have questions about this forgiveness or would like to discuss any other options,